Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. Mommy is out here trying to pick Aki.
Yeah, me a pick Aki. Paris, what is happening? Me a pick Aki. Yeah, Jamaican thing. Aki, me a pick. What is happening, y'all? What is happening on your end? Watch me. So me have my little pick stick and me a try hook it. You see that? Yeah. Tell them somebody that go get Christmas Aki. Yeah. So, that remember when you see this, you know, we are on the outside and we are pick Aki. That are weed up and we are rake up and we are tidy up. You know, so when you see this, it's a Jamaican thing. So what happening in a phone neck of the woods? What is happening? See one more here? Y'all know Aki? Whoa! Alright, no. Find one down a ground two and that two is three. Now I always tell you, I thought I did it on the cooking channel and I was showing you giving you some information about Aki. I was trying to get that one down, but this one end up come down with it. So me follow my camera girl, me I go rest it in my tree. Showing you how me deal with my Aki thing. You understand? Come, follow me. So now, I'm going to rest it right in a little part of the tree. This was one that was picked like this from yesterday. So I'm going to rest it in here, see it open now. So I'm going to rest that one here, right here. So, and look here, I'm then near the noni tree. You know noni? Y'all know noni? This is it, the young part. I want to get it down, don't mind. The zinc and all them something that fire, I saw it go sometimes. So we have the young, you get the camera girl? We have the young, this is how it look. It start come out like this first. This, and then it come like that part. And then it come like this. And then it come like this. There's some drop here. Let me pick one, show you. I'm going to draw over one. You can't get me? Carry them in camera girl. Hey! So we get one here. This is it, and I don't know if you all know the benefits of it. This one needs to ripe a little more, but this is what it looks like. Just pick it from the tree, okay, y'all? Yeah, man. Parry, I come back inside. See, how much accurate this? I find. Let me take out the seed them. One, sometimes I'm rotten because we have rain. Tree. So sometimes for the day, each time you go there, you see 3, 6 because it just start opening. So everybody don't open one time. Yeah? So, this is going on my Sunday. All around in my home. So I find half dozen this. This look like a half dozen Aki. One piece of saltfish. No, this one a rat. The whole of this pod here. This one not good. So it's just 5. This one just broke off, right? So look here now. I have only Aki, you know. Tell them I have to get Christmas Aki. Get them a shot. You see what I have? I don't get no freezer tour, you know. So I have here. So I have bag them up for you all. I have bag up for Les. I have bag up for Jolene. I have bag up for Pauline D. So I look both to the Aki and I put it on, you know. When you know I come, I want to know. Leave it in the comments below. So right here, so now. So me I bag them up and I separate them food now. Okay, y'all? Leave it in the comments below and I come back. When I no comment, because I know my voice. Me I work on it, you know. Soon get there. So me I go clean these now and put these together. So we in the kitchen, get them a shot. No camera girl, we not tidy up kitchen from morning. Camera girl did breakfast. See what she do, yeah? She do fry roti. And you know, say so on the channel. And what is balona? Yeah, balona fry roti. So we have so I'll tidy up kitchen now. Right round. And me have like a peas here, so I soak. I cook like rice and peas and we have a jump round. So far that a part with this. As we go along, we're gonna take you with us. Okay, yo?
Alright, Alright, so guys, first you seeing me from the start of the vlog. I'm in the kitchen now. I tried to a little bit of cleaning up, you know, just to wash dishes, straighten up a little bit. As you can see, I left the rags that the wash rags in like some bleach water. Tidied up a bit, you know. Okay, now I realize that I didn't see these right here, so I will just wash that up after. It's nothing really big. Just some breakfast left for my brother right there. Mommy leave the akis right there, so after everything. So yeah, it's not as I said, nothing too much, just a little tidying up so that when she comes back now, whatever she's doing, it is not as hectic as how it was before. It's much easier and she can move on a little bit easier in the kitchen, as you can see. Yeah, so this is how the kitchen looks right now. So yeah, we will see you guys in the next part of the vlog.
Hi Paris. I don't know, so we're going to remember I told you all. You are new to the Jamaican Debbiedebs channel. If you notice, I address you all as Paris. Okay? And if you have watched my introduction to the Jamaican Debbiedebs, I tell you, party is a Jamaican thing. We say, me and you are party. We par together. That simply means we are roll together. We do things together. So if you notice, me address you all as Paris. On the West Indian Delights, I address you as my family members. But you know, say at the same time, we are still like that. So very rare, me say, guys, come on, girl, then we say, guys, but you're all my Paris. That means we like that, you know? We're cool like that. Hey, we're still back in the kitchen now. Hey, I took like a piece of chicken, me kind of stew. Me never kind of brown stew though. Hey, and then look a piece of cook, you know, me kettle a boil, yeah. Me not flame nothing, you know, because Debbiedebs, we not flame cooking pan. This is the little thing you see. Cooking is just a way I carry it through the day. Hello. All who want to know what follow me on Instagram, I don't see me put a black cake. Oh, no. Me wait for less to take me on. But guess what? I'm going to do the Jamaican black cake. So I red label and something. Yeah? I was supposed to do it today, Sunday. But I get caught up and I have a few little things to do. And I want to finish early because I am a wrestling fan. I have to watch Clash of Titans. What name, Colby? What name, camera girl? Clash of Titans? Clash of Champions tonight. So we are trying to finish up early and straighten up and then look at something there. We are wrestling fans here all in this house, Jamaican household, y'all. Yeah, so yes man, if you want to follow me on Instagram, and we're going to link my Instagram thing down below. You know, we see, well guess what? I do it at Christmas time all over. I do weddings and all of them something. So if you don't have one little wedding or one little baby shower and a little thing, we don't have family in Jamaica, if you want to come down, come kick nothing, and we want somebody to cater, be a couple of things, do a little thing if you don't come down and go, and we want some jerk chicken and all them something there, I'm leaving all my information where you can get on to me in the description, because that's what I do for a living. Don't know if I've said it before, I am a caterer, but yeah, me take a boy there right now. Wrong one. I'm not get used to that stove here yet. So, you know, we like this over here. So as I tell you before, if you have any family members who have any little thing and you want somebody to do little catering, so you can get on to Debbiedebs. But I'm on a break now, y'all, trying to get a restaurant, okay? But it's gonna take me a little time because it's sort of hard to get something in a way you can afford, you know? Because you go to rent a shop and as them here's a restaurant you put there, you know, it's sort of, you know, the money kind of turn up more than me. But nevertheless, I'm on a break. But whenever I get little functions in between, I take it. So, back to the black cake now. So, what happened? Somebody had a little rush, like a rush function, and they wanted a few black cakes. So, them just come in with a little order for me. You don't know as a hustler, you don't have to hold it. So, we never get no time. That wasn't the videoing. Because when I'm videoing, I've got to go in depth because I want to bake on a black cake. So all you who are follow me on Instagram, me want to see it. So me have a kind of, me have cut that Irish up. And look here. Irish and currant is not compulsory in brown stew chicken, you hear? You understand? But we put it in sometime to kind of dig it up. So I put a little Irish here to put it in my brown stew. So, camera girl, now, I go to look at the tour here. She said she tied the kitchen, done the soap. Now no soap, you know. Normally when I buy one of this, I try make it serve me 3 weeks because it's pricey out here. So when I get this, I would throw half of this or whatever. I would just, when I buy one bottle, I would throw it half in another bottle, fill it up with water and shake it. Fill up this one with water and shake it. And I realize that it becomes thicker when I do it like that. You try it. And if you try it and it works, leave it in the comments below. So she very much done the little soup. And when I say supermarket, when I go to supermarket till probably maybe about Friday or Saturday next week, on Christmas Eve or so. So she done the little soup. Anyhow, that's it now. So with peas, I can see my peas look like my peas cook. So almost cook. So you know, so you have to put in the coconut milk when the peas near cook. So look here. Normally on a Sunday, like when camera girl school is out, she going to school. When she goes school, I cook Sunday, Monday. So she'll get some for carry for her lunch and we'll have dinner for tomorrow. All of you Jamaicans know the Sunday, Monday. We cook enough on Sunday and left back some for Monday and next day in the week. But guess what? I just do for today alone. So that's how it said. So look here. Little bit. We're still here on the Jamaican Debbiedebs. Little bit. One know I have, one know I cook. Message me no man. Let me know one know I cook for dinner. Yeah, let's. Zeze. Hello man. Message me man. Come in. Yeah? Yeah, Paris. Oh Lord, I am tired. This is how I sweat. But I'm inside my dining room right now. Dinner almost finished. The rice and peas just take time to simmer down. And I want to wipe inside here. And I want to polish. But I want to show y'all something. I think it's only the Jamaican then going to know this, you know. Y'all know this. This is the clear one, and we have the red one. So, give them a shot of the floor, camera girl. This is the type of floor we have, terrazzo. Right here, in a few little Jamaican house, we don't have no ceramic tile as yet. Further, maybe down the line, with God's grace and with constant perseverance, but this is what we have. So you know, say a real Jamaica something and hide. You know, see this? You know how this polisher. Camera girl, my son, they don't know it. But you all Jamaicans don't know this. So, I catch a 5. A Jamaica thing, I'm just breezing out a bit. I breeze out. I catch a 5. I breeze out. I'm going to go wild and polish. And hey, see camera girl, she find for her Christmas tree. Show them the Christmas tree. She normally should have put it up the first Sunday in December, but I don't know what happened. Today is what, the 3rd Sunday? Or so, yeah, I think so. Or something to that effect. So she find it and she find some decoration. So maybe by tomorrow or sometime when she put it up, we'll show you where it looks. So I'm gonna rock with a Christmas tree in our dining room. Yeah, camera girl love the Christmas tree and me love it too. Dad and well, son not in our domain no more. Them not care if it not in the land. Love the Christmas and the Christmas tree. So now I know so now say, oh you know see me dinner. But you know what happened? When we dinner finish, after we finish this vlog, after we end this vlog, we're gonna have our bath, cool out, we're gonna dish with dinner, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna invite you on another video to sit and have Sunday dinner, Jamaican Sunday dinner with me and camera girl. So now, this is where the box stops. This is where this vlog is gonna end. So, the last time, a long time, I'm gonna do a local Jamaican program, and I don't want to get it dying out of the videos, the vlogs. The last one I think I had said, was it true, camera girl? Who's and dog not have the same look? No, so camera girl? Who's and dog not have the same look? Simply means, don't follow other people. Don't do what others do. Be yourself. Do what you got to do. Because somebody might just go around this up and do something and them get away with it, you might not be that lucky one who go follow them, do it, and then you might not be as lucky as them. So puss and dog now have the same luck. Now make people make you do as they do. Do you. Okay, all? You all? So, from a little Jamaican Sunday one vloggy to your American. I know the weather is so cold and most of you Australia, everywhere on the weather, because we out here have some little chill weather too. You know, and now. The time is cold. We don't have no heat and all. Sometimes at night we have to turn off the fan and stuff because it's cold. So can you imagine where you all up there? So from our little Jamaican home to yours, it's peace, love, and remember, never let the evil around you take control of you. And this, I'm gonna leave you with another Jamaican proverb, but I want to ask you now, the question of the vlog is, all of y'all Jamaicans out there, do you miss your Jamaican living? Do you miss Jamaican living, Jamaican lifestyle? Any of y'all out there watching this little vlog in around our house vlog, do you all miss your Jamaican living, your Jamaican, every little thing about Jamaica? Do you all miss it? How much do you miss it? Comment below. And the Jamaican proverb of the day is oh Lord, it slipped me now. I had it right there. I'm gonna get it, y'all in. The Jamaican proverb of the day, I just can't remember. Just cannot remember. Okay, but we'll see you when we see you again. And never let the evil once more around you take control of you. Stay on top of things. Love you all. Camera girl, want to say anything?
Bye.
Okay. Love you.